This is the new arrival M5Stack Echo Pyramid, and it just costs much less than the Voice PE. Let's see how it performs. Alright, start with a quick unboxing. Pyramid first unveiled its demo in May last year, and it started shipping this March. First impression, compared with a true module form factor like the Atom Echo, Pyramid feels closer to an integrated chassis, built to house and organize the Echo setup rather than act as a standalone unit. To use it, you'll need to pair it with the Atom Light, S3 or S3R. The main differences between them are the available memory, specifically flash and PS RAM, and the included screen. One USB-C connector for power, one Grove port allows for expandability, 4-bar LEDs, dual-side touch slider zones, with 4 programmable touch detection points, 2 per side. Let's compare the physical size with the other Echo series and Voice PE. Currently, I only have the Atom Echo available. Other Echo series units are similar in size. When you put these two side by side, Pyramid clearly looks more like a fixed centerpiece you can place in the desk. The Pyramid and Voice PE share basically the same baseplate design. If you want a voice assistant to be a fixed-scene voice interface, Pyramid fits nicely. Most of the payoff comes from a made-for-place setup and overall configuration. Talk about performance. The ES combination provides reliable voice capture and playback clarity. AEC circuit provides accurate voice pickup, even while playing music or in a not-so-quiet, normal living room environment. Despite the printing error on the official sticker, this Pyramid actually packs a 5-watt high-fidelity speaker, so it's not just a whisper-level audio. Pyramid can be integrated into Home Assistant via ESP-Home. Pyramid can also serve as a Bluetooth speaker and a Xiaozhi AI chatbot container. This 3-in-1 device impresses me a lot. You can also try combining it with the voice assistant setup. Okay, tutorial time. Go to Add-on to download ESP-Home. Then go to the website and create a new YAML file. Choose ESP32S3. You can find YAML files on the M5Stack website. Replace the YAML file, locate the Wi-Fi section, and update the Wi-Fi username and password. Or you can use the YAML file I provide below. Also change the Wi-Fi information. Connect your Atom with USB. You can perform the installation directly through the web interface by selecting Manual Download. If the web-based download is too slow, you can opt for the CMD method instead. Download and install Python from the official website. I use the 3.11 version. Then open CMD and run pip install ESP-Home. Navigate to your YAML folder. Change the directory to where your configuration file is saved. For example, if it's in a folder named M5Stack on your desktop, use cd desktop/M5Stack. If you use Windows, just run desktop/M5Stack. Then run ESP home run Echo-Pyramid-YAML. After the compilation finishes, press 1 to select the USB port for flashing. Once the process is complete, your Echo-Pyramid will be successfully integrated into Home Assistant. Go on to the components. Each of them can be individually triggered in Home Assistant and seamlessly integrated into automations and scenes. You can choose 4 different wake words or set a new one on your own. You'd better choose aggressive to get a nice response, and choose very sensitive to wake Pyramid fast. You can see the status of each ingredient here and change it. For the first time, we need to set up the voice assistant first. Create a new assistant and update the speech to text and text to speech. If you want a more localized setup, you can use a combination of Piper and Whisper. Both of them are available in the add-ons. To make it easier to use, I used Home Assistant Cloud. The recognized voice commands and the status of their completion will be displayed here. Remember to expose the entities that you want to use. Also, you can check the entities list here. Let's talk about the automations. To enable voice control of other devices, add triggers, select sentence, enter your control phrase, and then add action. Choose device. Find the corresponding device there. You can control the device's state changes. Next, let's check out how well it works.
Okay, Nabu. Switch on.
Similarly, you can control the lights on the pyramid itself and set the phrases it will response. Choose pyramid and change its color. Add response, then type in sentences. If you need the voice response to include specific variable states, you can refer to this weather forecast. After this automation trigger runs, it will first update the weather information and store it in the entity. Go to Develop Tools to check the entity information. Enter the response sentences in the same format as this. I always use it to control my studio lamp. Also, it's easy to turn on the air conditioner by IR control. Use Wake on LAN to turn on my Mac.
Okay, Nabu. Turn on the light.
Turned on the lights.
Let's wrap it up with summary. Pyramid offers a clean, well-designed look and much more programmable components. It also has good local capability, without relying on cloud services, running the full pipeline using Piper and Whisper plugins. I think the biggest point is the price. It's currently the cheapest desktop voice assistant on the market. If you already have the Atom series, just get this base and you can set it up on your desk right away. You can find the product links in the description below. We also provide full documentation and technical support. However, it is not truly a plug-and-play device. You need to configure YAML and sometimes code on your own. With today's AI tools and the developers community, this becomes much easier. So Pyramid has a high ceiling and is a great fit for people who enjoy building and optimizing their own voice assistant. Tell me in the comments what else you want to automate with Pyramid.